Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 41. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So at the front door, we've added this handy strip over here, which will keep people from breaking in hopefully, so they can't like wedge anything here and break the wood. Okay, and then in the bathroom, okay, it's a bit wet over here. The shower tap, shower mixer has been moved more to the center, so that's at least some progress over here. Okay, what else is there? They're busy working on the walls again, and this wall over here, and in here they're still busy doing some touch-ups, and I think that's it for day 41.